Okay, I want to show you guys just how easy it is to assemble the GachaPop version 2. This is still an early version, so there's going to be improvements over this. So first, you're going to take your floor piece, you're going to take your capsule chute, and you're going to slide it into the grooves on the front wall. You're going to slide these grooves over these little pins on the floor. Slide. Do the same thing with the back wall. Slide. And then you have your sides, which are slightly different. Then these just slide into the grooves. We take our first set of screws. These ones are done in PLA. We're gonna get our handy dandy quarter or flathead screwdriver, and we are going to put these screws into the corners here. Next up, we have our little feeties. Ta-da! These also just thread right into the bottom. Next up will be our coin mechanism, and we're gonna slide that into the front right there. And then we're gonna take these pieces. These are the housing connector pieces. Slot into this here. Ta-da! And then the same on the other side. We're gonna take our wheel floor here and the wheel star. We're gonna line these up, pop that in there, and then we're gonna grab the new wheel retainer piece. Once you put this through here, you're actually gonna turn it counterclockwise to tighten, and that is because as you use it, the machine itself rotates this wheel counterclockwise. That way it doesn't loosen itself as you use the machine. Then these little slots here slide over the connectors on the lower housing. Ta-da! Next up, funnel, and this is a fun old part. We have one thing to do before we actually attach it to the lower housing, and it is install the deflector. It just slots into that spot right there, and then there's a spot just screwed in on the back. Boop. Boop. Line it up with the coin mechanism and slide it on down, and it should slide right over those connectors. Next step is to put these screws in. Beautiful. My phone is taped to the wall. Okay, now for the next most exciting thing about this machine is the frames. And this just screws right into there, and it bottoms out exactly where it needs to be. We can slide in our cages. Click. Now the gantries can be installed, and these just fit right around the cages. And then we have our handy dandy little gantry screws. Ta-da! And look, that's super solid. And then of course you just slide the lid on once you install the drawer. Fully functional, 100% printed, no glue, GachaPop version 2. This is not the final release yet of the version 2. That's coming January 31st. I still have a lot of improvements to make over this, but I'm so excited that we have it so far at this point. I mean, it's not coming apart. It is ready for travel and abuse and use and repair, and I'm so excited about it.